All right, everybody, welcome again. This is Dr. Oregon, and today we'll be looking at how to develop the topic to sentence outline from your thesis statement. Remember that the last recording we had, we looked at how to write a focused thesis statement, and we said that the ability to control a variety of sentences, to write a focused thesis, and the sentence outline will provide the structure for the essay. Having looked at the thesis statements earlier, we're just going to do a brief recap, and we're just going to establish that to write effective thesis statements, you need to have control of the following 4 factors. 1, you need to understand the topic. 2, you need to conduct relevant research around the topic. 3, you need to be able to choose what we consider viable and logical ideas. And then you need to be able to write clearly in standard English. We are working with focused thesis statements, which will lead us to writing clear topic sentence outlines. Okay, so effective topic sentences hold the key to writing cohesive academic expositions. And that is why we are giving so much time and effort to helping you understand how to do this so that the rest of the essay writing process will become easier. Now, having learned how to write thesis statements, we're going to proceed to the topic sentence outline. How do we do this? The first thing to do is to take the main ideas from your thesis. And you're going to take these in the order in which they are presented in the thesis statement. Then you're going to formulate 1 sentence for each main idea. The understanding is that this topic sentence will become the first sentence of your body paragraphs. So it must be clearly focused on the issue that will be discussed or developed in that paragraph. Therefore, you are going to ensure that the sentences maintain the focus and that it reflects the method of exposition to be written. So let's look at this first example. The topic is types of tourist accommodation in the Caribbean. And the thesis statement is tourist accommodation in Jamaica can be categorized into all-inclusive hotels, villas, guest houses, and bed and breakfasts. The first idea here is all-inclusive hotels, and the sentence is the most popular type of tourist accommodation in Jamaica is the all-inclusive hotels. The second idea is villas. Villas also serve as a type of tourist accommodation in Jamaica. The third idea is guest houses. In addition, guest houses are also utilized as a form of accommodation for tourists visiting Jamaica. And the fourth idea, and the final one in this example, is bed and breakfast. Now the sentence is, although not as common as those already mentioned, bed and breakfast is yet another type of tourist accommodation in Jamaica. So in this essay, these are the 4 types of accommodation this person will develop. It's not to say that these are the only types of tourist accommodation available in Jamaica. It's just that this essay will discuss these 4 main ideas. Let's look at another example. Methods of teaching discipline to children. The thesis statement is methods of teaching discipline to children can be categorized as behavior modification, emotional coaching, and inductive discipline. In this example, I did not highlight the main ideas in orange because I wanted you to know that that's not how to do it. I did it in the first example just to highlight for you what the main ideas represent or what they are. And in academic writing, we don't want colors anyway, so this is how it will look. Also, in this example, you have 3 main ideas. In the previous one, we had 4. Technically speaking, to write a good essay, you will have to have 3 or 4 main ideas for you to develop a full-bodied academic essay. Okay? So in this instance, the first idea is behavior modification, and the sentence is, behavior modification is one class of methods used to teach discipline to children. The second idea is emotional coaching, and the sentence is, another category of methods that is used to teach discipline to children is emotional coaching. What this suggests is that emotional coaching coaching is like an umbrella of ideas. So under that, there are subtypes. There will be examples that demonstrate this type of coaching. That is why it's called classification. You're classifying all the kinds that belong together under this umbrella. And the final idea here is inductive discipline. The sentence is, additionally, inductive discipline forms a third grouping of methods of teaching discipline to children. Now, with sentences like this, chances are it will be highly unlikely that you would write an essay that is out of focus. Okay? So now that you have gone through this slide presentation, you can play it over and over again as often as you want. I just need you to understand how to proceed before going to the topic sentence activity. So do not attempt the activity until you have fully gone through these slides and you understand. Okay? Again, this is Dr. Judith Oregon. I wish you all the best, and I'm here to work with you through your writing processes. Bye for now.